as far as charges for Germany. They have taken the lead 1-0 there against Scotland there. Florian Wirtz, absolutely stunning piece of kick just from him. And what an assist this from Joshua Kimmich there. And yes, it's a stunning piece of start by Germany. So that's it. Stay tuned for the series updates from America. Take care. So this is a stunning piece of goal. Stunning piece of start from America. Take care. It's a great start for Euros in the end. Absolutely wonderful piece of code just from Germany and the opposite. So I just still woke up there in the night and yes, Florian Wirtz has scored there against Scotland. What a goal, what a sensation music goal. So I'll give you all those latest updates from the break. Can just stay tuned. It's a stunning music goal. So that's it. हमारा बोले ठीक है और सब updates भी अपन करते हैं हमारा बोले